MLGO is definitely one of the more interesting charts on today's watch list because it's trying to stabilize after a pretty sharp pullback. The stock had that explosive run, but ever since then, it's mostly been working lower. And now we're sitting at a point where buyers need to prove they're still interested. In my eyes, this is less about predicting the next breakout and more about waiting for confirmation. Right now, price is trading around $4.15, sitting between support near 388 and resistance around 439. That's basically telling me we are stuck in a decision zone. Neither side has full control yet, and whenever I see that, I usually avoid chasing either direction. The level I'm really watching is $4.39. If buyers can reclaim that area with solid volume, then I'd feel much better about the possibility of another move toward 495. That would also put price back above the 50-day EMA, which is something I'd definitely like to see before becoming bullish. If support around $3.88 starts failing though, then I think the chart probably needs more time. Losing that level would suggest sellers are still controlling the trend, and I'd rather step aside than try to fight momentum. Personally, I think this setup has potential, but it's still missing that final piece of confirmation. Volume has cooled off compared to the earlier rally, and that's something I always pay attention to. Big moves usually become a lot more reliable when participation starts increasing instead of fading. So for now, my bias stays neutral. I like the location, I like the possibility, but possibilities aren't enough to justify a trade. I want buyers to earn it by reclaiming resistance and holding those gains. Until that happens, patience is probably the smartest trade on the board. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's all inside the Patreon. The link is down in the description.